Now we continue on. In April, we purchased goods on credit for 14760, and this included VAT at 23%. So we have to take the VAT out of it. So we go 14760 divided by 1.23, which gives me 12,000. So my stock is going up by 12,000. My VAT is 2,760, which is the difference between 14760 and the 12,000. And of course, my creditors goes up to 14760. So let's have a look at it then in the answer. So we have April. You see the stock going up by 12,000. Then you have the creditors going up by 14760, and we're reducing the VAT to 760 because at the beginning of the year we owed 8,400. Now we're claiming VAT back of 2760, and that then brings us to June. Now, June is always the one that we have to look at very carefully because there's an accounting adjustment to be done on this in December. In June, we received a bank statement showing a credit transfer of 7,200 to cover 8 months' rent received. And also then we paid out 4,800 for security expenses. So we net off the bank, so the 7,200 minus the 4,800. And then we look at the answer like this. And there you can see it in June. There's nothing up in the asset side. So we have 7,200 and 4,800 being net off. The expenses due, 4,800, which was accrued for last year, and rent receivable of 7,200. We will come back to that then in December, but this is just kind of a money in, money out situation. Now we move on to August, or July rather. And in July we said we paid a creditor €1,800 and received a discount of 100. Now this is a little bit confusing, but nonetheless we keep it nice and simple. And at the top you can see there then we're reducing the bank by 1,700, so we're crediting the bank. We're reducing the creditor by 1,800, and of course we have a discount received of 100, and we put that in then in July into our tab. And there's July. You can see the gain and the profit and loss of 100. You can see the creditors being reduced and the bank being reduced. Okay, and that was the adjustment there. Fairly simple, but nonetheless you had to be very careful.